Thanks for joining us today on a memorable and honorable day. You know, this morning I was getting dressed to come over here, and I took a moment and said, gosh, it still stings. It stings, you know, and 19 years later, it's not rote. It's not just a thing. Taking a moment, sitting on that sofa and kind of welling up for a second, like, well, I'm glad I still well up. I'm glad it still stings, and I hope we never forget. We say those words, but we need to re-promise and continue to live those words.
So many of you first responders changed your course on September 11th as our mutual aid agreements clicked in, and we were what we always are, which is one public safety family, taking care of each other and taking care of our citizens. We are here today to remember each and every person, innocent people whose lives were taken on 9/11, and the brave men and women who went in to save lives only to lose their own.
And for the days and weeks afterwards, all of the differences that had seemed so important before disappeared. And first, second, and foremost, we were all Americans. We honor, for these last 19 years, the commitment of those first responders, those who died in that tragedy, and we still hold their memories and offer condolences to the families who still grieve. But we also need to take that sense of all being in it together.
What our attackers failed to understand is that the darkness they hoped would envelop us on 9/11 instead summoned our most radiant and defined human instincts, the instinct to care for one another, to transcend our divisions and see ourselves as fellow citizens, to race toward danger and risk everything to protect each other, the instinct to unite.